why we want to recognise Kathy. We've known Kathy for a number of years. She looked after my mother-in-law, Lee's mum, while she was going through cancer treatment in Northampton General Hospital. She's an amazing source of support for us. Even when Lee's dad died during that time, she always was there for us and went out of her way to make sure we were loved and cared for. Kathy was the first person that was there for us when our charity began. She championed the work we do, made a difference to everything we do, and she genuinely believed in us as people. So we think that Kathy definitely deserves recognition. I know she doesn't like it, but she's an amazing person, and so we just want to celebrate her and say a huge thank you.
We're proud to know you.